So good morning. So here at Boloon, Cebu. So good luck mga kalopers. So sa inyong entry sa 100 days challenge. So first overall champion, we receive cash 5,000 pesos and certificate, tarpaulin and gold medal. And second overall champion, we receive 3,000 pesos and certificate, tarpaulin, gold medal. And third overall champion, you receive cash 2,000 pesos and certificate and trophy and gold medal. Fourth to fifth, you receive Wingmaster piece from Wingmaster. And 6th to 10th leisure overall, you receive certificate only. So di na to dugayon ato nang i-shout out mga kalopers diri sa Cebu City. 420 loop, 0 loop, Tiro loop, Bugoy loop, Sunji loop, Dax loop, Gigi loop, Bugoy loop, Bulingit loop, Jupax loop, Django loop, Roy Kani loop, Sunji loop, Bugari loop, Jam loop, Jasim loop, Arma loop, Boon loop, Vincent loop, Tosser loop, Faga loop, ug sa tanang kalopers na ko diyan sa Cebu City. So good morning. So aking makita ang lugar sa Boloon. So ating makita ang iyong mga warriors. Ising. So salamat sa padayon yung suporta kang DJ Kobe Promotion Labs. Time check is 7:16 AM. Release time is 7:20 AM. So ato ipakita again ang Boloon. Ato na yung pasalamatan na itong mga sponsor. Daddy's Lechon, Wingmaster Cebu, Pagal Barbershop at DJ and ang lamian na Batsoy sa Kogon, Dear Batsoyan sa Kogon. So good luck guys. So katong wala na akong ma-shoutout, so sinsya na kayo ha. So wait lang oras. So remaining time is 3 minutes. Ay iya ka dyan, nataga kailang puti wa mapaong. Ayayin ka.
know if I can bleed. If that's what you wanted, you won't get it tonight.
What? Please.
'Cause I can fly, I can fly, I can fly, I can fly.
Coffee promotion niya. So wala na. So ito na. Tahos na syudad. Gawas na si Haring Araw. So again guys, so good morning. So release time is 7:20 in the morning. So before we say goodbye, so please follow my page, DG Kobe Black.